Hello to all. Today we are going to create one window regarding the digital clock. As first of all, I want to show you the output. In this output, you can see the clock is here and it is showing the timing as you can see on my laptop. So for making this type of window, this type of digital clock app, we are going to open this Python one. First of all, we will mention here import time. Import time is the package one by which we can take it and we can show the timing also. And after this, we will use here from Tkinter import star. And from Tkinter import star, you can create the window. And in your window, these three buttons should also be there. Canvas is just a variable of Tkinter. In place of canvas, you can choose Wayne or your name also. We want that we don't want to call Tkinter again and again. So that's why we are calling here TK with blank bracket. So now whenever I will call canvas, then TK will come automatically. Then we just want to set the title for this. So we set here canvas or title digital clock. Canvas or geometry for setting the window size. Canvas or resizable is 0, 0. It means you are not able to resize the window as we have mentioned here 0, 0. As you can see, the restore button is off. If I will make it 1 and 1, as I can show you here, if I will make here 1 and 1, then it becomes true. 0 means false, 1 means true. So now this button is activate. Now you can increase and means you can restore the window. So as I don't want to use it, so I just make here false like 0 and 0. Now configure with the help of configure, you can set the background of your digital clock. Then we will create one variable L1 for set down the label. Here label is the command, so L is capital. Canvas is the window name that we have defined here. Text digital clock, with the help of text digital clock, you can see the output of this. Font, super, size 50, bold style, background blue, FG means text is equal to white, and also you can see BD. BD means what? Now L1 dot grid row and 0 column 1 so that we can set it at the top side. Then label as the second label means the second variable name. You can also type here L2. Label canvas font Cooper 50 bold BG foreground text color border and row 1 and column 1. And this is row 0. So now I want to keep it in the next row. So that's why I mentioned here row 1. Now I want to set the function for this. For set down the function, I use here diff DC. DC just like a digital clock. So I mentioned here DC, but it's just a simple function name. You can type XYZ. Text input is just a variable name. Time dot string. F means format time. Means you can set the time for this. For this, we'll use here hour, minute, second. Means I want that my time will visible like hour, minute, and seconds. Now label configure text input. Label after 1000 DC. 1000 DC means after 1 second. If you will make 10,000, then it become more so. And in the last, we will call the function. And don't forget to use canvas.main loop because with the help of this, we can see the output. Now you can see the output will be something like this. This is the L1 is 0. So this is column number and column number 1. So 2 rows are here and it is showing the timing also. So this is a small digital app coding and I hope you like it and it's also clear for you. Just start to do this coding. If you have confusion, then I'm here for help. So let's start.